Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh to all our brothers and sisters watching OnePath Network today. On behalf of the team here at OnePath Network and all of us involved, we would like to wish you a warm Ramadan Mubarak. May Allah bless you this month. May Allah allow you to have a successful Ramadan, and we really wish you the best.
And for those of you who are wondering what cool merch we're rocking right now, for those of you who are interested, you can head down to the links below to support OnePath Network through one of the many methods of supporting us, and check out our new merchandise if you want to look as cool as us.
Inshallah, and of course stick around to the end of the video. We're going to be giving away some free merch. So find out how you can do that at the end of the video.
Well, I guess you're probably wondering why our page has been a bit quiet for the past few weeks. It's because for the past couple of months, we've been hard at work on a Ramadan documentary. It's going to be a 4-part documentary about the Quran, really trying to capture and honor the spirit of the Quran in the lives of everyday Muslims. It's not just a documentary that features scholars and sheikhs, but it's also a documentary that features your average Muslim, even teenagers, young people, and what the Quran really means to them. And the big announcement we actually have is we're here to launch the trailer. So without further ado, let's cue the trailer for My Quran Story.
Check it out.
If somebody asked me what the Quran was, I'll just tell them that
actually the Quran is my life.
Alhamdulillah, he's the best friend I can fully trust it.
Something inside me just said that this is the truth. You cannot deny that this is the truth.
This cannot be the word of man.
I never thought of it that way, and it's like mind blown.
I want to die with this Quran in my heart.
I want to try and finish the Quran.
I want to get the ajr of memorizing the whole Quran, because
the Quran is a message that needs to touch the hearts of everyone.
So it's very important that we attach ourselves to the Quran al-Kareem, we recite it, and also we bring it into our lives, we apply it in our lives.
So that's the trailer for My Quran Story. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. We just had a screening of over 500 to 600 people that watched it here in Sydney.
And the responses were amazing.
Yes, so they loved it. Inshallah, you guys will love it too. For those that want early access to at least the first episode of the documentary, we will be launching it on our app. So for early access, make sure you download our app, the OnePath Network app. And inshallah, you'll be able to view it before everyone else does. And regarding the giveaway,
well, you can have your chance of winning, inshallah, some merch. So we'll sort it out for you. All you need to do is comment below and tell us what the Quran means to you. Our team, inshallah, will go through it and we'll take a look at some of the best responses. And we're sure there's going to be a ton. And we'll do our best to pick out the best one. And that person will get some free merch. We'll ship it to you wherever you are in the world, at no cost, of course, unless you're in Antarctica. But other than that,
or space. There are some Muslim astronauts, so if you are going to apply, when you come back to Earth, inshallah.
Yeah, maybe we'll speak to
inshallah. So Ramadan Mubarak. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification, hit the bell, keep up to date. And for those that do want to support OnePath Network and help us produce more content like the content you've seen before and this upcoming documentary, inshallah, you can head over to our website at onepaathnetwork.com and find out ways you can support us. Jazakallahu khairan. We wish you the absolute best for the month of Ramadan. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.